The SLK has been sounding a bit sort of raspy on the exhaust pipe, so I thought I'd put it on stands and have a look underneath, and I thought I'd take you with me, see what we can find. So, looking at the exhaust system, you can see it's pretty old and pretty rusty. That looks okay. Let's have a look. You got the other end of the silencer box there. That looks okay too. A bit of a sort of cover layer on this one, but a little bit crispy. There is a joint here about which I have my suspicions. Looks pretty crispy. So maybe that's it. If I look further along, there's a very nice sensor there, doing very well. That's plumbed in all right. Prop shaft over the top. Prop shaft's looking good. I don't know if you can see that up there. That looks all right. The end of that part, it's a box, and there's another. Let's lower you down a bit. Put you over here. That weld around that end looks pretty good too. I think what I might do is start this up and see if I can hear where the noise is. And nice under it. I'll leave you under here as well, and you can have a look and see what you think. See if it's coming from here. All right, let's go start it. Yeah, I don't know why. No. There's a joint suspicious. Right then. There's nothing, no air leaking from that joint. It's pretty amazing considering what it looks like. Maybe it's further forward. It's strange. I'll have a look further back. Tricky to get under, really. changed positions, and now under the sort of front part of the exhaust, goes up to the engine. Up here, that's where it disappears up to the engine up there. This bracket here, this isn't a leak. I still haven't found a leak on this, but this bracket is a support point, and what you can see is this is loose on here. So that's obviously supposed to take some of the weight. Let's just line that up. It's supposed to take some of the weight, and you can see that the welds have failed on that. So that's now come adrift. So what I'm going to do for now, I think, is I'll take this off, because we have heard some sort of ting 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 type noises when it starts up, and I think that's probably this support point tapping against the exhaust, which isn't very good. So I think I'll take this off, and I'll then investigate taking the whole section out and re-welding that bracket on, or replacing the whole section. But yeah, just one to look out for. That's obviously rusted through on that weld, and you can see how that would make a lot of noise. The exhaust pipe is extremely well supported from other places, so I think we'll be okay without this one for a short period. Okay, well, I've opened the bonnet. Let's see if we can hear any exhaust leak from the front of the exhaust system. Certainly can't hear anything unusual here. It's very hot down here. Don't put your hand on the exhaust system, because you'll skin yourself. This one's been running for a while, and it's pretty warm, but I can't feel any air coming out or exhaust coming out, which is good. I'll rev it and see if I can hear anything different. Maybe this is just what a sports car sounds like. Who knows? But what I thought was leaking maybe isn't. Perhaps you could let me know. What do you think? Cheers. Thanks for watching.